Hey guys, it's Polka Koi. I got 8 X and Y Flash Flyer booster packs to open, so let's get started. This one's giving me trouble. We got a Caterpie, Helioptile, Ponyta, Binacle, Blizzle, Reverse Holo is a Binacle, and the rare is a Weavile, Roserade, Trick Shovel, and a Fletchinder. And here's the code. On to the second pack. You have a Seedot, Pidgey, Stunky, Duskull, Flabebe, and the reverse holo is a Dragalage rare reverse holo. Ooh, and we got a Carbink holo. I don't know if you can see that. Ultra Ball, Fletchinder, and a Luxio. So not too bad so far. Hoping for one of the Charizard cards of the Flash Fire. That's the main reason I got this pack. These packs. We got Spritzy, Seedot, Skrelp, Shinx, Scraggy, Ponyta. Oh, that is a nice full art Magnezone EX. Look at that. That's a nice card. That is a nice card. Put that over there. Sacred Ash, Dusclops, Ultra Ball. Here's another code. Put that in camera view, sort of. We got a Pineapple, Sentret, Phoebus, Bergmite, Roselia. Reverse holo is a rare Scrafty. Reverse holo. Walrein is the rare. Pidgeotto, Pokemon Fan Club, Celio, and the code. Now we have, including this pack, we have 4 more packs. So we just went through 4. Got that Magnezone EX full art, which is pretty good considering I just started collecting. Here's the code. Pineapple, Sentret, Phoebus, Bergmite, Roselia. Oh, Shinx. I'm pretty happy about the next card. Full art Charizard EX. That is awesome. That is a nice card. That is a very nice card. This is amazing. Dusclops, Sacred Ash, and a Maractus. Now on to a Pyroar pack. 2 EX cards, 1 Magnezone and 1 Charizard, which is pretty good. Flabebe, Stunky, Shinx, Spritzy, Litleo. Reverse holo is a Fletchling, and the non-holo rare is a Dragalge. I'm sorry. Luxio, Maractus, and Nuzleaf. That's the code card. On to the last 2 packs. I'll just put them in my way so I can get to them easy. Code card. Seedot, Pidgey, Stunky, Duskull, Flabebe. Reverse holo is a Spiel. And the rare is a Skuntank, Nuzleaf, Fletchling, oh Fletchinder, I'm sorry, Ultra Ball, and the last pack wouldn't mind another Charizard, maybe a Mega. Ponyta, Sneasel, Seedot, Skrelp, Scraggy, and the uncommon is a Trick Shovel, which is just an uncommon. Barbacle is the rare, non-hollow, Dusclops, Pidgeotto, Starling Magniphone, and the code card is, there you go. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be opening more card packs in the later future, and I'll quickly show you what I got out of these 8 packs. I got Charizard EX Full Art and a Magnezone EX Full Art. Thanks for watching. This is Pokekoi, and I hope to see you next time.